This is from mathsg.in, and we are with a good student of mine of a class 6 Pihu. She is learning it from online from Srinagar. और श्रीनगर से हम लोग ऑनलाइन फ़ोन कॉल में थे. तो what I wanted is that to explain certain thing. So I wanted to take this video, and all of you also can get benefited. Whenever we are drawing an angle, the space between two rays is called the angle. A space. This space between two rays, this and this. Let me tell you, this one is always the initial ray or initial position, and this one is the final ray or final position. इस रे को अदरवाइज हम आर्म बोलते हैं, फाइनल आर्म और दिस आर्म. ओके, सो आर्म को डिनोट करने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, आर्म के ऊपर वी कैन टेक 2 पॉइंट्स एंड नेम देम एज, लेट्स से ए, हियर बी and here C. So in that case, A, B, C, where B must stay in the middle, do remember that one, is the name of the angle. The other way of telling the name could be like this, that is CBA. Again remember, the B must stay between the two other points on the arm, or simply in very short you just can say angle B. Whenever you are going for giving a name to an angle, you must use this symbol. This symbol, it's not exactly lesser than symbol, we are given this, correct. Lesser than symbol is equal on both the sides, greater than is both equal. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा ऐसे पतला और ये पैरेलल, और यहाँ पे एंगल का नाम. So we were discussing about that. This is an angle. Now in that topic we were discussing measuring an angle. So for that we need one particular geometric instrument which is known as protractor. What is that? Protractor. So this is the angle, and what are we going to do is that to use a protractor is a semicircular instrument apparatus, we can say. There is a line exactly at the middle, this is the position, and from this side the groups are there. This is 1 degree apart, 1 degree, 2 degree, 4 degree, this comes up to 90 degree, again 90, 91, 92, 93, 94 वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. I am unable to draw the things. Here you will get 180 degree, and on this side this is 0 degree. So whenever you start measuring, you must look for the angle measurement from this side to that side, that is from the right side towards the left side. You should start counting 0 degree to across, 0 degree across, 90 degree, 95 degree, 98 degree, up to 180 degree. So what you do is that you need to position this particular point on this vertex of the angle. This one is the vertex. That means two rays when they are intersecting on backwards, that point is known as the vertex, and these two are the arms, correct. So the space between the two arms is the angle. So we have discussed already these things in the previous class and the previous video. I gave a revision of this. Now let me tell you how are you going to do is that you need to keep the protractor in such a way that this point lies on this particular 0. From there you can start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, something like this. This will come somewhere near as 30 degree. Again if we keep on moving, we'll get 31, 32, 34, 34. This is 60 degree. This is something nearly 60 degree. And you have the 61, 62, 63, and this is 90 degree. Okay. So this angle which we have drawn here is 30 degree. How did we measure? Now we kept that protractor with this middle point on the vertex and aligned this line with the protractors, this particular line. Then we started counting the groups, and there are markings 15, just like in the thermometer, 50, 30, 60, 45, 55, 90, 95, 90, 80, up to that one. So this angle comes out to be 30 degree. Similarly, again let me tell you, let me draw another angle and again show you how are you going to measure that particular angle using a protractor. In higher classes you will learn to use a rounder. So let me take another angle, correct? So let me say this is the angle, correct? So this is the initial arm, this is the final arm, and this is the vertex. On that I may take 2 points. So let's say P, B, Q. It could be like the name like this. So the angle is B. And if you are giving 3-letter name, it will be PBQ with this symbol on the left, or it could be QBP. Okay, QBP on the symbol, correct? So the space between the two arms, this is the space, the arms are this, it's called the angle. And to measure that angle, तो मेजरमेंट हरदम करे, इसका यूनिट क्या है? एंगल मेजरमेंट का यूनिट है डिग्री. डिग्री इज द यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट ऑफ एंगल, करेक्ट? जैसे मीटर सेंटीमीटर वो होता है आर्म के लिए, साइड के लिए, वैसे इसका मेजरमेंट होता है डिग्री में, करेक्ट? So now what I will do is that I will take the protractor and will keep it here such that the middle point of the protractor stays on the vertex with this side aligned to this one. Now we start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 30, 35, 40, 40, 45, and this may come as something 55 degree. Okay, 56, 57, 58, 59, up to this one will become 90 degree, and again 91, 92, 95, 99, this one is 80 degree. So what is the measurement direction? From right to left. Wishing you all the best. See you with another video. This is Jeet from mathsg.in. See you again. Thank you all. Wish you all the best.